Welcome back to the channel, Fat Boys. I am out here on the Blue Ridge Parkway, and I am here taking Lilith out on a nice little ride. I am here to explore this section of the Blue Ridge Parkway for the very first time. So come join me. Let's have some fun on this very cold, probably last cold day for the winter here in Virginia. So let's go. So while I was setting up, I ended up having a guy coming from the other direction. And I do see lots of ice, so it is probably going to be closed right on up here. That's what he was warning me about. He was telling me that the road was closed, and I think it is still going to be closed because I see a fair amount of ice on out here, actually. Yeah, man, that's a lot of ice. Well, I guess this means either it's gonna be closed or I'm just gonna be taking my sweet time. I'm wanting to go on up to Roanoke via Blue Ridge Parkway, but I don't know if that's gonna be happening. See, where it's sunny, it's not bad out. Definitely icy, man. I don't really recommend this to a lot of people unless you're stupid like me. Whew. This is ice. Oh my god, that was scary for a second there. I hope I at least get one overlook for you guys. I do have a little bit of a backup plan, but man, it's still not going to be the same. You know, they always say, try listening to your gut whenever you got to go riding, and I don't know, I was having a little bit of a funny feeling when I was leaving this morning to come out riding, so the gut is almost always right, so I just gotta, I want to be careful. I want to take it real nice and slow with this. And you might be wondering about this camera right here in the dead smack center of it. I'm actually making another video here too. Making a video for a whole bunch of new riders out there, because I remember when I was wanting to get into riding, a lot of people had questions about like, what is it like riding? What does it feel like? What does it look like? And so the look like part, I can easily do that. And so that's what I'm using this camera for. And it's gonna be something a little interesting. So if you're interested, I'll go ahead and link that right up there in the corner for you guys so you can see that. Some ice, lots of ice, lots of ice, lots of ice. I'm threading the needle right now. Laying off the gas, keeping it upright. That's probably why I'm the only one out here, because I'm stupid enough to be doing this. Tells you it's cold. Still lots of snow out, man. At least in some of the corners. Most of it's melted away. A couple days over the past couple days, it's gotten above freezing, pretty good amount. But it just rained the last 2 days, and it got way below freezing last night. So it's a little cold, a little dangerous out right now. But danger's my middle name, so that's the fun part. So I don't know if it's closed because I haven't seen any of those barricades yet. Because there are a couple people that do live on the parkway, so they can't put barricades up in sections where there's no access point to those people's homes. An example right here. This guy has to be able to get to his house. So they closed off the parkway. He ain't never going to be able to get to his house. So they got to have some of it open, I guess. Man, I can't wait to come through here again when it's actually like fall. Really start to see the leaves changing and it's not cold or anything. I really didn't get a chance to do that because I moved up here. It was already mostly changed or mostly gone by that point. Man, even in the winter, it is still so dang pretty up here. Oh, look, we got a little overlook right up here. Let's see if it's any good. I can't see anything. Not really overlooking anything. So it let's talk a little bit, shall we? It is currently February 5th, and I am starting twitchy right now. I'm really excited for the bike week. Really excited to come and see a lot of you guys. Really excited to go out on some of those demo rides and see all kinds of fun things. I'm gonna be camping out at the Fast Lane campground. I believe that's what it's called. It's ice. And so I'll be out there. And if you see me out there, make sure you come say hi. I'd love to meet all of you guys out there. I'll be making tons of videos all around Bike Week, so you'll be seeing plenty of that content. And I don't know, man, I'm just twitching. I'm twitching for some warmer weather. I'm twitching to go to an event for the first time, and an event in general. I'm just excited, man. I want to get out. I want to do stuff. Man, this wind chill's numbing. The Smart View. No idea what that is. Let's go check it out. Ah, this one's better. Let's go check it out. Mucho better. Mucho más grande. Buena vista. Oh yeah, so much better. Smart View overlook. There we go. Oh man, guys, just look at this view. I mean, just look at that view. That is so beautiful. You can literally go for miles. Just endless views. It's so pretty out there. All right, so just after talking with some locals, they did say that it is closed here, but you know, let's go on a nice little tiny hike, shall we? See what nature has to offer us today. Super pretty views though, man. Oh, I love Virginia just for these reasons. This is the Smart View path, I guess. Hiking trail. Ooh, a little muddy. Nice and muddy, nice and slippery, all the fun things. You know, if Shade Tree Surgeon is called the Swamp Wizard, I might as well be the Mountain Wizard since I'm up here. Watch me cast my horrendous spell upon this mountain, destined to melt all of this snow so that way I may ride in peace. Oh, here we go. What's this? And there's a little trail right here, but it doesn't say what it is. Oh, smart. Oh, there it is, down there at the bottom. Never mind. Smart Loop Trail. 2.5 miles. I don't want to hike for 2.5 miles. So, instead, we're gonna make our way back to the bike. And you know what? Let's hop right back up there and enjoy this nice little epic B-roll clip. Why not? Have a little fun with it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that. It is really cold out, so I'm actually going to start to make my way home now. So a little bit different of a video. So if you enjoyed it, make sure you go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. If you aren't already, make sure you go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Make sure you ring that bell notification, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.